Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 Shopify print-on-demand store ideas that you can start right now using Printful that are proven to make anywhere from a few $1,000s a month to well over $3,000 in pure profit. Now, these ideas will range from semi-passive to almost completely hands-off, and they work whether you're starting with zero design experience, zero inventory, or even a $0 budget. And the reason these ideas work so well is because print on demand lets you turn a simple digital design into real world physical products without you ever touching inventory, shipping boxes, or even printers. And when a customer buys, Printful prints it and sends it to them directly. Running an e-commerce business was the first thing that I started where I actually saw a real profit, and it changed my life, not just financially, but in terms of freedom and flexibility. And selling through Shopify has given me the ability to control my own storefront, my own customer data, and scale into bigger product lines and build long-term equity in my brand. And with Printful handling all the production work, I get to focus on creativity, marketing, and enjoying the passive side of entrepreneurship. So with that said, let's dive into idea number 1. And trust me, the first one might sound a little unusual, but it's the easiest way to start and the quickest way to earn money online using Shopify and Printful. One of the strangest but most profitable niches to start with is selling pattern-based products. I'm talking about seamless patterns, textures, and digital paper designs that can be applied to physical products through Printful. A few months ago, I came across a store owner who launched a simple pattern-based Shopify store, and they use basic digital textures, floral patterns, water-based colors, and abstract art, and then they allow people to apply those designs to anything. And you can even do this with Printful's catalog, but for this, it was more of the wrapping. In just 4 months, their shop crossed several thousands of orders, and if you average the data, they were generating around $4,000 to $5,000 a month in profit with no inventory, no packing, no shipping, and very little overhead. And what makes this model so powerful is that creating patterns has never been easier. Most sellers are using AI tools like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly to create unique, high-resolution, seamless patterns in just a few minutes. You type in the description of the style that you want, you refine it until you get one that looks the way that you would like it to look, download it, and then apply it to multiple types of product through Printful's design editor. And the reason patterns work so well is because they are evergreen. Like, think about it, for example. Right now, what's coming up? Christmas. After that, you have New Year's, then you probably have birthdays, other holidays, you have Valentine's Day. Really, this is something that you can do all year round. Mother's Day, Father's Day, there will always be a time that you will need to wrap something or wrap a gift, or even just wrap something as easily as a design if you like to make art in your house. The point is, there will always be a demand for floral patterns, geographic designs, boho textures, glitter backgrounds, elegant gold, marble, and season themes. It doesn't really matter. And once you create that pattern, you can use it on 10 or 20 different Printful items instantly if you want to expand your catalog. This category is extremely beginner friendly. Your startup cost is either zero or the cost of an AI image generator subscription, and the margins are high because digital designs cost nothing for you to reproduce. And with Shopify, you own your customer relationship, which means you can build repeat sales and brand loyalty over time. And for that reason, this is an excellent entry-level print-on-demand idea. But idea number 2 is where most people build their first serious income online. The best-selling category in the entire print-on-demand world is apparel. That's hoodies, that's t-shirts, that's sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, tank tops, hats, and so on. And while most beginners get intimidated because they think the apparel market is oversaturated, the reality is actually the exact opposite. Apparel is a massive industry, and you only need a tiny fraction of the overall market to build a 6-figure business. I've come across Shopify stores that launched within the last 12 months and already brought in $10,000 or more in monthly profit simply by selling niche-specific sweatshirts and hoodies through Printful. In fact, I even added my own apparel to my store on www.successwithstevensmith.com. I put a video here on screen of the sample that I ordered using the Printful growth plan. With this plan, you get a 25% discount on sample orders. On top of that, you unlock additional perks like it lowers your your product prices, discount branding options, and the ability to connect as many stores as you want. The plan is $24.99 per month, and you can either test it out for free for 14 days, or you can earn an entire year of the plan at no cost once you hit $12,000 in sales. You can use a simple text-based design that anyone could create, while others use AI-generated illustrations or purchase a design element from marketplaces. There was a store that opened 4 months ago, and they listed a catalog of humorous sweatshirts and like minimalistic t-shirts, and within 4 months, they passed the 3,000 order mark. If they were keeping around $6 in profit per item, they were already clearing around $5,000 a month in pure profit. The real key is finding a specific niche instead of selling for everyone. You drill down into categories like teachers, nurses, dog parents, gym lovers, newlyweds, car enthusiasts, accounting humor, or holiday themed collections. When you niche down your store, you instantly increase your conversion rate. With Printful, your apparel is printed on demand, shipped automatically, and tracked through your dashboard. Printful offers embroidery options, screen printing style DTG prints, and premium materials. They have comfort colors and all types of options that you can check out on the Printful website. There's a link down in the description. Now, Shopify will handle your storefront, the checkout experience, any upsells that you need, and customer management. Now, when both platforms work together, the business becomes extremely hands-off. I would give this idea a medium difficulty rating, only because the design selection does matter. You need to make a specific design that resonates with a specific person, and it can either draw them in like emotionally or make them feel good. It has to give them some form of identity. But thanks to AI design tools like Canva templates and royalty-free assets, you can create hundreds of original designs very quickly. And I have an entire video that walks you through the process of creating your design on Printful using AI tools and Shopify. I highly recommend you watch that video. I'm going to link it right here. Now, this is going to bring us to the third idea, which is surprisingly profitable and perfect for sellers who want something simple and versatile. Selling stickers with Printful is massively underrated. Stickers can be sold individually or they can be sold in packs, and people can put them on their tablets, their planners, or digital journals. And many sellers overlook this because they assume that the margins will be too low. And yes, a single sticker might only bring in a small profit, but sticker packs or theme bundles and multi-packs can dramatically increase revenue. I recently studied a Shopify seller who launched less than 3 months ago, and they specialized in funny sayings, aesthetic doodles, and motivational sticker packs. Within only 2 months, they were able to make thousands of sales. Even at $1 a profit per sticker, they were generating several $1,000s in profit each month. Creating a sticker design is incredibly easy because sticker art is simple by nature. You can use a free AI tool like Leonardo to generate icon-style graphics, or use text-only designs that say funny quotes, trending phrases, or aesthetic labels. Or you can take a pack-style approach and create themed collections. Printful handles the printing, cutting, and shipping for you, and their quality is excellent and customers love the durable matte finish. The idea is extremely easy to start, and the financial risk is minimal, and the demand is surprisingly high. But if you want to break into a more premium print-on-demand category, idea number 4 might be your favorite. Selling custom portrait and canvas art is one of the most profitable print-on-demand categories, and Shopify stores that do this well can generate 5 figures per month consistently. You may have seen the trend of AI-generated pet portraits, family cartoons, or royalty-style character portraits. Many of these stories started with nothing but an AI tool and a Printful poster integration. One shop selling cartoon pet portraits started less than 1 year ago and already built multiple strong months of sales. Another store selling royal pet portraits, where you place an animal's head on a royal painting, has brought in tens of thousands of dollars in profit from a single listing. These stores often allow the customer to upload a digital photo, and then they can have it printed with Printful posters, canvases, or framed wall art. And the beauty of this idea is that you don't need to be an artist. Tools like Midjourney and again Adobe Firefly, they specialize in AI portrait generators, and they'll convert a photo into a unique illustration. Once the customer uploads their photo and you generate the artwork, you place the image on a Printful's poster mockup and then fulfill the order. The customer gets a beautiful custom piece of art. You get a premium margin because personalized products have extremely high perceived value, and Printful handles everything else. Your printing, your packaging, your shipping, all of that is done with the museum quality material. While this idea requires a bit more manual work for each order, it's incredibly scalable and profitable, and the emotional nature of personalized gifts means customers are often willing to spend a lot more money. But if you want something that is both easy and high demand, idea number 5 will deliver consistency every single month. The fifth idea is not based on one specific product. Instead, it's based on an entire catalog of custom print on demand items. Custom products are often the easiest and fastest ways for new sellers to make money because they rely on personal photos, names, dates, messages, or sentimental elements that customers provide. You can offer custom products on nearly any item that Printful sells. That includes mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, wall art, phone cases, hats, blankets, tumblers, you name it. When customers order, they upload a photo, they type in the custom text or whatever the design is, and then you will upload this to Printful, and the rest happens automatically. The reason custom products work so well is because they make perfect gifts for holidays, anniversaries, birthdays, weddings, and family events. Gift-based products perform extremely well on Shopify because customers often buy with urgency and they buy with emotion. You can also charge significantly more for custom work because customers see personalized products as premium. There are no startup costs to list custom Printful items because you don't need to handle inventory. You can start your store today, upload mockups, turn on Printful's integration, and begin fulfilling orders immediately. And if you execute well, you can scale this into $10,000 or even $20,000 a month in revenue. Many sellers have done exactly that using Shopify and Printful alone. This idea takes everything that we've learned from the previous idea and packs it all into one. It's a flexible business model, it's scalable, it's profitable, and it's beginner friendly. If you want to see an entire video where I show you how to actually link your Printful store to Shopify, I'm going to link that right here as well. I'm also going to put it at the end of the video. The 5 ideas I shared with you today are not theories or vague business ideas. They are real proven models that thousands of Shopify store owners are using right now to make anywhere from a few $1,000s a month to even 6-figure annual income. Whether you choose patterns, apparel, stickers, portraits, or custom products, every one of these ideas can be scaled into a sustainable business that pays month after month. Shopify gives you full control of your customer base and your brand, as well as your marketing strategy, while Printful takes care of manufacturing, fulfillment, and shipping. The combination creates a streamlined, semi-passive system that allows you to focus on creativity and growth rather than just focusing on physical labor. If you want more in-depth tutorials on any of these ideas, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see how to start a Shopify store, connect that store to Printful, and create your first product and launch your first campaign ad, I have a few videos here for you to watch, and I'm going to link them at the end. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. There's a link in the description to Printful, and you guys have a wonderful day.